Hello everyone, pull this hair in the front and then cut a portion of the hair on one of the sides above the eyebrow level and another one below the eyebrow level. Now pull the comb through and then, keeping these sections in mind, diagonally cut through it as such. After this, taking the hair on the sides, cut it at about the chin level, make sure that it is even. Now even out the rest of the hair as well by diagonally cutting it as such. Do the same for the sides accordingly. Make it match the hair on the sides. After you are done with this, make sure that you even it out. Now once this is done, begin to make vertical cuts through the hair. First pull the comb through and then begin to make your vertical cuts. Start off with the center and then you may move to the sides. The sides will be rather thin, so be careful in this particular area. Comb it in place and then once you are done with this, set it. Next, take a section of the hair when you have the side parting, pull it to one of the sides and then cut it at around the eye level. Then pull a comb through and then cut the rest of it at the lip level. Now once you are done with this, take the entire section of the hair, once again pull a comb through it, put it in a diagonal manner and then using the first section as well as the last section that you have cut it diagonally as such. Now once again pull the comb through and then begin to make vertical cuts through this portion of the hair. It comes to about half of it. This gives it a more natural look and makes it sit better as well. Now once you are done with this, take a hair straightener and then puff it outwards and then make it sit as better as possible. Do the same thing for the side. Make sure that it sits well in place. Next, take a small section from the center and then cut it at around the eyebrow level. Now take two more sections from either side, pull the comb through and then once again cut it at a lower eye level. Cut the next section at around the level of the nose. As for the last portion of it, cut it at around the chin level. Once you are done with this, make diagonal cuts in each of the sections so that it matches the section before it. This way, it'll evenize it and then it'll make it blend in better with the rest of the hair. Once you are done with this, it should look like this. Now after this, take the comb, put it through and then begin to make your vertical cuts to make it look all the more natural and all the more blended with the rest of the hair. Make it merge with the rest of the sides as well. This is the final look. Thank you for watching.